Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel today, and happy Salah to the Muslim followers on this channel. Today is Salah Day, being Sunday 30th of March 2025. In this video, I want to share with you some commonly asked questions about X365.AI. Many people have asked me several questions in the comment section of my video, and because of that, I want to ask these questions and I want to provide the answers to these commonly asked questions so that you can be able to see them and be able to be guided. I need to let you know that according to X365.AI, the pre-launch price for the X365 coin is 0.00045. That is the pre-launch price. Then the trading price, by the time they start trading, they are projecting that the price is going to be 0.04. By the time it launches and it starts to trade. And according to X365.AI, as at today, 200,000 people or more have moved and they have started in the process. But according to X365.AI team, only a few people among these 200,000 and more are building. As X365.AI continues to make waves in the AI and blockchain sectors, many are eager to understand its intricacies. Below are some frequently asked questions about X365.AI along with detailed answers to enhance your understanding. The first question I am going to respond to is, what is the primary mission of X365.AI? What is their primary mission? X365.AI aims to revolutionize the financial industry by integrating artificial intelligence with blockchain technology. Their goal is to create AI-powered intelligent finance solutions that enhance efficiency, security, and accessibility in the financial services. The next question I have here is, how does X365.AI utilize AI agents within its ecosystem? In the X365.AI ecosystem, AI agents are autonomous programs designed to perform specific tasks such as data analysis, predictive modeling, and automated trading. These agents operate within the platform to provide users with tailored financial insights and services, leveraging AI to make informed decisions. The third question I have here is that what sets X365.AI apart from other AI-driven blockchain platforms? X365.AI differentiates itself through its unique integration of AI agents, which offer this personalized and intelligent financial solutions. The platform's focus on creating a seamless user experience combined with its commitment to transparency and security positions it distinctively in the market. The next question I have here, which is question 4, is that how can users participate in the X365.AI ecosystem? Users can engage with X365.AI by creating an account on their platform, participating in airdrop events, and utilizing the services provided by AI agents. The platform offers various opportunities for users to benefit from its AI-driven financial tools. The fifth question is that what are the potential benefits of using X365.AI's services? By leveraging X365.AI services. Josa, mo need the Wi-Fi password. No, I have. I have. No,
for now.
Okay, no problem. I'll use that on my phone. All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
So the fifth question is that what are the potential benefits of using X365.AI's services? By leveraging X365.AI's services, users can access advanced financial analytics, automated trading strategies, and personalized financial advice. The integration of AI ensures that these services are efficient, data-driven, and tailored to individual user needs. Now, how does X365.AI ensure the security of its platform? X365.AI employs robust security measures, including blockchain technology, to protect user data and transactions. The decentralized nature of blockchain, combined with advanced encrypting techniques, ensures that user information remains secure and tamper-proof. Number 7 question I have to answer here is that, are there any fees associated with using X365.AI services? While specific fee structures may vary depending on the service, X365.AI is committed to maintaining transparency in its pricing. Users are encouraged to review the platform's terms of service or contact customer support for detailed information on any applicable fees. As at this moment, there is no major fee. I think in about 10 days time from now, because there's a countdown, we are going to know the next step as regarding X365.AI in terms of this and that, the next line. At the moment, the main thing you need to do is to register and get free 500 token, and then begin to invite people. So in about 10 days time, the next line of action will be unfolded. How can users stay updated on X365.AI developments and announcements? Users can follow X365.AI's official channels such as their website and their social media platforms to receive the latest news updates and announcements. Apart from that, users can also keep coming to this YouTube channel where I will be sharing information with you about new features and new updates in X365.AI. So you can also subscribe to newsletters or join in community forums, and this can also provide timely information about platform developments. I have a dedicated WhatsApp group where we share information about crypto, and I must say this particular X365.AI was introduced to me by somebody in the WhatsApp group, and what I did was to do a thorough analysis and thorough check, and I brought out the beauty in the program. Now, what support resources are available for new users of X365.AI? X365.AI offers a comprehensive support systems, including frequently asked questions, user guides, and they also have a white paper. And they have customer service channels to assist new users in navigating the platform and maximizing the benefits of its services. How then does X365.AI plan to evolve in the future? X365.AI is dedicated to continuous innovation with plans to expand its AI capabilities, introduce new financial products, and enhance user experience. Staying engaged with other official communications will provide insights into upcoming features and services. So this is all I'm going to bring to you for now. In about 10 days time, there's a countdown if you have logged in or if you have registered on X365.AI. The link by which you can register on X365.AI is in the description section of this video, and is also in the comment section. I'm going to pin it in the comment section. So for more in-depth discussions and reviews on X365.AI, visit the Dr. Olubegade YouTube channel, where we explore various aspects of this platform. So this is where I'm going to draw the line. I want to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video with your family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. Until I come your way again in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next thing to go and watch now. So go ahead, click this video, and go ahead and watch it. So I'm going in for this mango now. Do you care for some? Go ahead and watch this video now. Bye for now.